In this video, I will show you how you can unlock your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57 if you have forgotten the lock screen password. Now to fix this issue, we will have to perform a hard reset on our Samsung phone. But keep in mind, by doing this process, you will lose all the data which is saved on your phone. So you will have to back up all your data before doing the hard reset process. Also, to successfully unlock your Samsung phone, you need to know the Gmail which is signed into your Samsung phone. Also, you need to know the password of the Gmail which is signed into your phone. Because in this process, you need to authenticate yourself using your email address instead of the lock screen PIN or password. Now once you have backed up your data, now to start the hard reset process, first of all, just grab the charging cable of your Samsung phone and make sure that it supports data transfer. If your charging cable is for charging only, this method will not work. Now just plug in one end of the cable to your laptop or to your PC. Now you don't have to do anything on your laptop or on your PC, just plug in one end of the cable to your PC. After that, just grab the other end of the charging cable and plug it into your Samsung phone. Now the next step is just press and hold the power button with the volume down button until the screen of your Samsung phone goes black. And once the screen goes black, just release the volume down button and press and hold the volume up button with the power button until your phone enters into recovery mode. Just like that. Now press and hold the power button with the volume down button. And once the screen goes black, just release the volume down button and press and hold the volume up button with the power button until your phone enters into recovery mode. Now in recovery mode, just press on the volume down button and select White Data Factory Reset, then press on the power button to confirm this action. Now just press on the volume down button and select Factory Data Reset and press on the power button to confirm your action. Now after you complete the hard reset process, now just press on the power button to reboot your phone. And once your phone finishes restarting, just tap on the drop down arrow and select your language, then tap on OK and select Start. Tap on Agree to All and tap on Agree and select Setup manually. Now from here, just connect your phone to your Wi-Fi network. Then tap on Connect. Now as you can see, it is asking you to enter your lock screen PIN. Now instead of the lock screen PIN, just select Use My Google account instead. Now in this section, just enter the email address which is signed into your phone. After you enter the email address, then tap on Next. Then in this section, just enter the password of your email address. After you enter the password of your email address, then tap on Next. Then tap on Skip. Now if you want to sign into your Gmail account, you can do it from here. But for this video, I'm skipping all these steps because you can set up them later in the settings. So I'll tap on Skip. Now just select Skip. Now if you want to copy your data, just tap on Next, but I'll select Don't Copy. And tap on Skip. Now just select Skip and tap on Skip. Now if you want to set a lock screen password on your Samsung phone, you can do it from here, but I'll skip this step. Select Skip anyway. Now just tap on the drop down arrow and select Accept. Now if you want to sign into your Samsung account, you can do it from here, but if you do not have a Samsung account, or if you don't want to sign into your Samsung account, just select Forgot Password or Don't Have an Account and select Setup Later in Settings. Tap on the drop down arrow and select Skip. Then tap on the drop down arrow and select Agree. From here, just select your display mode. You have the option for dark mode and light mode. I'll select light mode, then tap on Next. Tap on Next. And as you can see, we have completed the setup process. Now just tap on Home to go to the home screen. And as you can see, we have successfully opened our Samsung phone without using the lock screen password. Just like that. And all these steps we have skipped in the setup process, you can do them later in the settings. You can sign into your Samsung account from here, and you can set a lock screen password from here. And all the other settings are available in the Settings app. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.